In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to place trade inside of MatchTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to MatchTrader.com. From here you'll need to log into your account, either live account or demo account. This will work both ways. Now from here you'll see this page right here. And now you'll need to go up to the trading tab up here, and then from here you'll need to find the specific symbol that you want to place an order for. Once you've found it, let's say I want to purchase the Australian dollar USD to USD, then from here I'll need to go down to here where I can select how much I want to purchase. So let's say I want to purchase 0.01 and then click buy over here. Now from here you can see you'll open a position and you can click confirm. You'll also be able to add advanced order down here to add a stop loss or take profit if you want to do that. Once you do that, you'll simply click buy, click confirm, and then from here you'll see the open positions will be visible down here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!